Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a message on WhatsApp group chat using your PC. Let's walk through the steps to help you manage your group conversations effectively. To get started, open your computer and launch your web browser. Navigate to whatsapp.com to access the WhatsApp web version. Once you're logged in, locate the group conversation that contains the message you wish to delete. Scroll through the chat to find the specific message you want to remove. To delete a message in a group chat, simply tap and hold on the message you want to delete. This action will bring up a menu of options specific to that message. If you need to delete multiple messages at once, you can select additional messages before proceeding. After making your selections, click on the Delete for Everyone option. By selecting Delete for Everyone, the chosen messages will be permanently erased from the group chat for all members, ensuring that it is no longer visible to anyone in the group. Deleting messages in a WhatsApp group chat helps maintain the integrity of the conversation and ensures clear communication among group members. Remember to use this feature responsibly and verify your selections before confirming the deletion, as the action cannot be undone once completed. Follow these steps to easily delete messages in a WhatsApp group chat using your PC, enhancing your group communication experience and promoting effective group interactions.